Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy a gift card on Crocs. If you don't have a Crocs account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In/Register button. Click on the Sign In/Register button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, scroll the page to the bottom. At the bottom of this page, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. Now on this page, customize the gift card you wish to buy. First, select for whom the gift card is. In this video, I'm going to buy for someone else gift card. After selecting, choose how would you like to send it. You could choose from email, text or print. Next, select a gift card design. Then select the value you would like to give, or you could just enter a custom amount between $1 to $1,000. Now here, write your greeting message, but it's just optional. You could also add a video or photo, just click on the Add Video or Add Photo button. On the field provided, enter the recipient's name and email. Also, enter your name and email. After entering, you can now schedule your delivery. If you want to send it immediately, select Today, then click Checkout. But if not, select the Later button. If you click on For Me tab, just follow the on-screen instructions. Then click on the Checkout button. Now, review your order summary. If you wish to make some changes, click on the Edit Gift button. Lastly, choose a payment method, then enter all the necessary information about your payment. After entering and if everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you buy a gift card on Crocs. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.